Youpi Smart World!
Let's go, follow me into a world of color you'll see. Look around, don't be slow. Something cool is starting the show. Step to the left, step to the right. Colors shining big and bright. Out comes a bird with feathers white. Every color side to side. Turning slowly, look at that. Like a rainbow on its back. Shining, dancing in the sun. Moving like it's having fun. Peacock, peacock! Hold on, wait, where did it go? Was it fast or was it slow? Now it's green, now it's gold. Now it's gone, or so I'm told. Look again, it's right there. Changing colors everywhere. Chameleon! Up above in jungle air. Brightest beak you'll ever stare. Red and yellow, bold and long. Flying while it sings its song. Jumping branch to branch with style. Making everyone smile. Toucan, toucan, Deep below the ocean blue, I've something funny comes in view. Small and round, just drifting by. Like a balloon that learned to fly. Then it grows big and wide. Floating safely with the tide. Pufferfish. Peacock